toda metade.
Was how you can use a sentence or just a simple pause. What will I say when my kids ask me who my daddy was? I thought about it for a while and I'm at a loss, knowing that I'm gonna live my whole life